So here's what you can expect on this channel. We're going to be talking about mindset. We're going to be talking about money, but mostly money, right? Mindset is the most important part, but there's an objective side to making money, to having it, to growing it, to keeping it, to managing it, to investing properly. I spent the majority of my life, my adult life, learning how to make money. I've gotten pretty good at that. It's only within the last few years that I figured out how to have it and to grow it and to keep it. There's not a whole lot of talk about that in entrepreneurial circles or in career circles, besides the traditional stuff you've heard about investing. Well, what about throwing away nest egg thinking and just buying non-traditional assets? I'm not just talking about real estate, right? I'm talking about stuff that is managed assets where you can buy it and third parties manage it for you and you just make all the money, have the ownership, but you have none of the work. What about buying online businesses that you don't have to run, that pay you every single day, and you keep all the ownership, you keep all the money, but somebody else runs that company and it doesn't cost millions of dollars, even hundreds of thousands of dollars to do? These are things that are within reach, but we're just not taught about those things. Look, to avoid some of the mistakes I made and accelerate yourself to some of the successes, hit the plus sign, follow me on the channel.